Now, what have you got? Any grain, any cloth?
No, I haven't got anything really, but it's very important that I get in the city.
Yeah, that's what they all say. Now, move along, eh?
Oh, no, you don't understand. I've come to get a job. I'm starting all over again. I've got lots of good ideas, and I think that once in there, I could really...
Now, look, Sonny, shove off, eh? Wait a minute. What have you got here? What's this? You told us you had nothing. Cool.
That's not for eating.
What do you mean? You could last for a week on that. Just a minute. What are you up to, Sonny?
Oh, nothing. It's a memento.
A memento?
My sweetheart gave it to me before I left home.
She gave you that?
Yes. Have it back, please.
Gosh, she must really love you.
Do you really think so?
Yeah, I've got a sort of sticky feeling inside me just thinking of it. You sure are a lucky guy.
Come on, Fred, cut it out. He's not getting in.
So I've got to go.
Give him a break, just this once.
No chance. Now push off, you. Look, just because he's got a potato, you can't let him.
Oh, I'm telling you.
That's what they all say. Wait a minute.
Hey, you! Come back! That's far enough. Let's have a look at your legs.
Now. Next.